second group, freestylers, Tatalin, and extremers. Simulan natin with the freestylers. Freestylers, our judges said panalo ang choreography and full of energy. Carl, for a 6-year-old, pareho na daw yung galaw mo sa mga friends mo na mas matanda sa'yo. Ang sabi ni Kuya Dick, lahat ng gusto niyang makita sa isang dance group, nasa inyong grupo na. Tatalin, our judges said, kuhang-kuha niyo yung moves ni Michael Jackson, nakakatuwa at nakakatulala sa galing. Interesting costumes, maganda yung look, pero medyo tumahimik daw kayo ng second part. Sana mas nag-peak pa yung performance nyo. Extremers. Our judges said, very, very entertaining. Maganda ang concept with a different style of dancing. Maganda din yung mix ng music. Medyo inconsistent lang daw dahil minsan masigla kayo tapos parang maalala nyo na matanda pala kayo, kailangan nyo mabagal. Pero, good transition daw. After adding the judges' scores, our winning group is, audience, who do you think it is? I see everything from number 1 to 3, but according to our judges, ang nanalo, who will be taking home 50,000 pesos, yung ating consolation prize is 10,000 pesos for each group. Ang nanalo ng 50,000 pesos is group number 1, freestylers. Congratulations, well deserved. Thank you. Thank you, Kuya Dick, for awarding them also. I'm sure you will be seeing more of these guys. At this point, we will call in Miss Edna because our show will not be complete without Miss Edna. Miss Edna, join us here, please. And we'd also like to call in our It's Your Time to Shine ballroom competitors. What are you teaching?